everyone, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. Friends, 65% people are just watching our videos, but they are not interacting with us. They are not liking our videos, they are not subscribing our channel. Why, friends? I am not charging any single penny to watch my videos. We are not charging any money to provide the tutorials on YouTube. We are just demanding your likes, your comments, your subscribes. This is our support. So if you don't want to support us, then how we can make videos for you? We are disappointed if you are not supporting us, because all the videos we make only for you guys. So please do like, share, subscribe this channel. Those who visit my channel for the first time, please go and subscribe now. Regularly we are uploading videos on various tech topics, and which you can access from your home, which you can access from your phone, as well as you can access from your computer. So please do subscribe and please hit the like button if the videos are helpful, and do at least one line comment whatever you have in your mind into the comment section. Those things will really help us. Those things will really motivate us to make new videos for you. We have one-on-one personal coaching on Computer Coach. So if you want to join, just contact us. The contact details is given in the video description. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can check your system configuration from Windows 11. I think the system is same in Windows 10. I haven't checked, but you can check and let us know in the comment section. So in this video, I will tell you the procedure to check your system configuration. I hope this video will help you a lot. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos. If you want to get updates, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the video description. Let's start. There are two ways to do the same. Way number one, use System Configuration app, which comes with Microsoft Windows. Number two, through Run dialog box. First, we will show you how you can check your system configuration information through System Configuration app. For this, you need to go to search bar or press Windows key.
Start window, search window, search.
Type System Configuration.
System configuration app. Press right to switch preview.
So this is the application. Now just launch this application by pressing Enter key.
System.
So now here you will get all of your system details. So let me
move in. System.
Press tab.
System configuration dialog. General property page. Load all device drivers and services. Load basic devices and services only. Startup selection grouping. Normal startup radio button checked. Alt+N.
So this is startup selection.
Tab control. General tabs.
So in the general tab, you will find the startup selection, which we will not discuss today. I'm just pressing right over here.
Boot tab selected.
Boot.
Services tab.
Services
selected.
tab.
Startup tab selected. Services tab selected.
Services tab.
Startup tab. Tools tab selected.
Startup tab. Tools tab. So in Tools tab, you will find the option. Now my focus is on Tools tab. I'm pressing tab.
Tools property page selected. Command C. Windows System 32.
So
Windows
I'm pressing
products.
down over here.
Change UX settings, security and maintenance. Windows troubleshooting. Computer management. System information. Description.
Yes.
View advanced information about hardware and software.
Choose
settings.
this.
6 of 8.
I mean, press down arrow and move your focus on
System information.
System
Description. View
information.
advanced
After that, press tab.
Selected command. Edit red
Again,
only, Alt+C
press tab.
select. Launch button Alt+L.
Click on Launch button.
System information dialog. Preview level 0 system summary expanded 1 of 1. System summary
Now first is system summary, which is already expanded. This is your place to check the system configuration.
System summary preview item focused selected
So
expanded
I'm pressing
1 of 1
tab
level 0.
once.
List 1 list.
See, I'm pressing down arrow and I can check my system configuration. So let's check. First I'm pressing down arrow.
OS name value Microsoft Windows 11 Pro 1 of 43.
So this is my OS name. Very good. Next I'm pressing down arrow again.
Version value 10.0.22621.
Again.
Other OS description value not available 3 of
Again.
43. OS manufacturer value Microsoft Corporation 4 of 43. System name value Rattle 5 of 43.
So this is the system name which I have given.
System manufacturer value Gigabyte Technology Co. Ltd 6 of 43.
So this is my motherboard, Gigabyte Technology.
System model value B400. System type system model value.
This is
B400
my model number of motherboard.
System type value X64 based PC 8 of 43.
So system type x64 bit based PC. So whenever you download any software for 32-bit or 64-bit, if you don't know what is your PC configuration, you can easily check from this or from this location here. So I'm pressing down arrow.
System scoop value default string processor value AMD Ryzen 5
So this is my processor.
Processor 3600 MHz 6 cores 12 logical processor S10 of 43.
So all details you can here you can check
BIOS
from
version
here.
slash date value
This is
American
BIOS version.
Megatrends International LLC FSMD iOS version value 3-point embedded controller version BIOS mode value UEFI baseboard manufacturer value Gigabyte Technology
So
Co.
baseboard,
LTD,
which is
15 of
also
43.
called motherboard.
Baseboard product value
Baseboard
B450
product.
MDF baseboard version value default string 17 of 43. Platform role value desktop
Platform
18
role.
of 43.
Platform is desktop, so if you use laptop, so it will say laptop.
Secure boot state value PCR7 configure Windows directory value system directory value secret device value locale value United States 24 of 43 hardware abstraction
So
layer
hardware
value,
abstraction
username,
layer,
value rattle time
username.
zone value India standard time
So
27
time zone,
of
I have
43.
set India time zone. Okay. So if I press tab, let's see.
Find what edit alt plus W blank.
Find what? So here I can search whatever I want. If I want to see my SSD details or disk details or hard disk details, I just type SSD here. Then press tab again.
Find button alt plus D.
Now hit enter on find button. Let's see.
Unavailable cancel find button alt plus C. Unavailable find next button alt plus N.
So it's fine. Now I'm pressing shift tab once.
Find what edit alt plus W
Again.
selected. List one list.
So list one list, which means I have received the result. If there is no result, then Windows will show you no results found. So I'm pressing down arrow.
Description value disk drive 1 of 68.
Disk drive description.
Manufacturer value standard disk drives 2 of 68.
Standard disk drives. So let's see, my first disk drive is.
Model value Samsung SSD 970 EVO plus 250 GB 3
So
of 68.
this SSD I'm using 250 GB. This SSD I'm using.
Bytes slash sector value 512 4 of 68.
So this is byte. So I'm pressing down arrow to listen others.
Meeting heart scuzzy sex total cylinders value total tracks slash cylinder.
There are all details are available which we don't require. We just listen the name.
Partition value disk not partitions list item 27 of 68. Description
See,
value disk drive 28 of
Disk
68.
drive. This is my next drive.
Manufacturer value standard disk drives 29 of 68. Model value HGST
Listen carefully.
541,010 A9680 30 of 68.
Okay, so this is my next drive, and similarly I can find my next drive here also. So if I press tab,
Find what edit alt plus W.
so let me find another thing. For example, I want to find RAM. So let's start. So I'm pressing.
Find button alt plus D.
I'm clicking on find button.
Unavailable. Find next button alt plus N.
Okay, so I'm pressing shift tab
Find
twice.
what list one list.
See,
OS name value version other OS OS manufacturer value system process BIOS SMD embedded BIOS baseboard manufacturer.
I'm just pressing down to give you
boot device local user time install total available physical memory total virtual memory value 18 of total physical installed physical memory
See,
RAM
installed
value
physical
16.0 GB 28 of 43.
this is the RAM.
Total available physical memory value 12.8 GB 30 of 40. Total available kernel virtualization Windows Defender application control.
Okay, so this is the way you can check your system configuration.
System.
Now another way I want to show you, that is through run dialog box. So I'm opening the run dialog box.
Run dialog. Type the name of a
Here I'm typing msconfigs, msconfig. Remember, in run dialog box you have to enter the right command, otherwise the program will not work. So if I press enter here,
system configuration dialog, tools property page selected command, C, Windows System 32 info.32.x, launch button Alt plus L, launch button.
So here I got the same dialog
OK,
box.
cancel button, help button, tab control, tools tab selected.
Tools tab, which is already selected. So then I just use the previous method which I have shown you. So you can use that method and you can check your system configuration or system information. These are the two ways to check your system information or system configuration. I hope this video will impact in your daily life, especially when you want some information about your PC and you don't have any sighted assistant, so you can just check on your own. Let friends, do not touch any options, just whatever I have shown in this video you can do, but here are some files. If you delete or if you change something, if you go some unknown options, then you may reset your PC to use again. So be careful. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, do liking, to sharing, to subscribing, and to joining our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.